Hi there, today I'll share with you the skin retouching in Photoshop. First, duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J. Change blend mode from normal to vivid light. Go to Image, Adjustment, Invert, or Ctrl I. Filter, Order, High Pass. Increase the radius pixel to the point that you can see the details but not the defects on skins. Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set at 3.9 pixels. Hold Alt key and click to layer mask icon to create black layer mask to layer 1. Use brush tool, B shortcut, opacity 100%, white in foreground color. Just paint on her skin to remove the freckles. Remember not to paint on the edges of nose or eyes because these areas are supposed to be sharp. Reduce the opacity to 50% to paint over this area. Create stamp visible layers by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift E for Windows or Command Option Shift E for Mac. Use Spot Healing Brush tool to fix the small areas that have left. Duplicate layer 2. Change blend mode to vivid light. Go to Filter, Order, High Pass. 2 radius pixel. OK. Add black layer mask to this layer. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Use brush tool, white in foreground. Increase brush size and paint on her face to increase the texture a bit. That's all for this skin retouching tutorial. If you like the tutorial, hit like and subscribe buttons so we have more motivation for launching tutorials in the future. Bye bye.